Pāvilosta residence by OAD in Pāvilosta, Latvia. Nestled within the charming town of Pāvilosta, this residence masterfully marries tradition with contemporary aesthetics. Drawing inspiration from the historic fishing village's vibrant wooden homes, the design imbibes the colorful essence of small streets lined with quaint, painted houses. Capturing the essence of a sea breeze in a structure, this home emerges as a luminous oasis for a family. Echoing the rhythms and strength of the Baltic Sea, every aspect of this home's exterior is meticulously designed to sync harmoniously with its natural surroundings. The careful positioning and overall layout of the home pay tribute to the sea, facilitating a connection that lets the occupants feel its tranquil yet invigorating presence, even from afar. Every architectural detail has been considered to encapsulate the panoramic views, the refreshing breeze, and the distinct coastal light, transforming this structure into a living portrayal of the Baltic coastline. Guided by the town's building regulations, the residence boasts a dual-sloped roof and embodies the coastal architectural language. Despite its size, a human touch permeates its essence, allowing the home to harmoniously meld with its established surroundings. With a location parallel to the sea, the home champions transparency. Floor-to-ceiling windows not only punctuate the structure but also invite views of the sea from even the cozy courtyard. The building's wooden composition, a nod to local tradition, doesn't merely end at its facade. The interior thrives on simplicity and authenticity. Using materials like wood, veneer, concrete, and metal, the design weaves a narrative rooted in Latvian sensibilities and the raw beauty of the coast. Color becomes a storyteller, with the hue of the house inspired by Pāvilosta's characteristic marine blue, reminding one of a time when the town was a canvas of vibrant tones. Beyond aesthetics, the home also integrates a recirculation system, emphasizing a commitment to sustainable practices. The attic rooms, dedicated to guests or children, add a layer of versatility to the design. Functionality meets form in details like the window shutters, perfect for ensuring privacy and safeguarding the vacation home during off-seasons. The kitchen represents a harmonious fusion of design, location, and thoughtful simplicity. Every element within the interior is intentional, devoid of excess, and carefully chosen to emphasize purity in design. The selection of materials, such as plywood and wooden planks, further underscores this commitment to simplicity. The result is more than just a space, it's a living experience, where the majestic exterior landscape seamlessly integrates with the minimalistic interior. The views of the sea and coastal meadows enrich the overall experience, transforming an otherwise simplistic design into a profound connection with nature. The sauna exemplifies an integration of architecture and natural landscape. The expansive glass wall, a deliberate architectural choice, serves not merely as a window but as a conduit between interior and exterior, human and nature. The wildness of the sea, captured through this transparent boundary, accentuates the minimalistic design within. Each wave, each tide's ebb and flow resonates with the room's purpose, offering both an invigorating connection and a tranquil retreat. Linking the main house with an auxiliary structure, a transparent glass veranda emerges as a sanctuary for relaxation post-sauna sessions. This space is crowned by a dual-sided fireplace, fusing both structures and offering warmth and ambience. From conception to realization, this Pāvilosta residence encapsulates OAD's dedication to creating spaces that don't just fit into their surroundings, but celebrate them. Through intentional design and a profound respect for context, this home emerges as a testament to architecture that listens, responds, and ultimately belongs.